Hello, everybody. How are you? My name is Mitchell Toomey. I'm the director of the UN SDG Action Campaign. It's great to have you all here, and it's also great to have everybody who's here online. Today is the birthday of the SDGs. Let's give a little round of applause for the SDGs. 3 years ago today, on the 25th of September, the SDGs were adopted in that great hall by all the member states of the world. So what we do every year is have a global day of action on this day. So this year we have over 1 million people in over 1,000 cities around the world doing interesting activities. And you're going to hear about some of them. We'll do a kind of a tour of the globe today over the next hour or so.
Fantastic. I was once talking to Mitchell, the director, and he said a lot of the solutions that are going to be derived when it comes to the SDGs are going to have an African accent, that the future of the SDGs might have an African accent. And when you look at the map, this is so true. If you look at countries like Nigeria, it is heating up. They've had 220 actions in Nigeria alone. One of those actions, a round of applause for Nigeria, guys. Incredible effort for an incredible country. We're pleased to meet FOLUKE Michael. We first met in Bonn, Germany, the winner of the Action Award.
I'm so happy to be here today. One of the promises we made to UN SDG Award in Germany in March was we're going to create a movement, we're going to change the world. Our action started on Saturday on the 22nd on campus where we have over 8,000 students in Covenant University. We are gathering students from primary school, from secondary school, from tertiary institutions to create change movement. What are we working on? We're working on goal number 3, health. How we can go kick against drug abuse, not only in Nigeria, but globally. We're doing this through creative and innovation through art, and it's called CCB Art for SDG solution. Our solution has been developed to actually work for every SDG from 1 to 17. Right now, we're taking action in Nigeria. A movie was produced through our SDG action. It's called Trapped. People are gathered all over in 500, in 100, watching our movie on how our innovation is actually changing the world in health sector. Also in corruption. The strongest impediment to achieving SDGs, not only in Nigeria, but all over the world. We're taking action. Say no to corruption, using our creativity, knock down corruption, and of course, open a new world where me and you can actually live and have a world that is livable, prosperous, peaceful, just, and healthy. Thank you so very much.
Woo! Words to live by, absolutely. I love it, I love it, I love it.